Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get an access token in HubSpot. This is essential if you're looking to integrate HubSpot with other tools or automate workflows through API connections. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to hubspot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start with a free trial to get access to the platform. After signing in, you should land directly on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your marketing, sales, and service activities. Now that you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all account settings and configurations. Click on this icon and select the option labeled Settings from the menu that appears. This will take you into the settings area where you can manage integrations and access tokens. Once you're in the settings menu, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll need to navigate to integrations and then click on Legacy Apps. This section houses all your legacy application connections, including the private apps that you've created or have access to. It's where HubSpot allows you to manage OAuth credentials and API access. In the Legacy Apps menu, you'll see a list of apps that are currently set up under your account. Click on the specific app you want to work with. This will open up the app's overview page where you can see various details about the integration. From here, click on the tab labeled Auth at the top of the page. This Auth tab is where all your authentication credentials live, and it's crucial for generating the access tokens you need. Now comes the important part. On the Auth tab, you'll see your client credentials displayed. Look for the client ID and client secret values. These are your unique identifiers that allow external applications to communicate securely with your HubSpot account. Go ahead and copy both of these values. Make sure you store them somewhere secure, like a password manager or encrypted file, as you'll need them to authenticate your API requests. Never share these credentials publicly, as they provide direct access to your HubSpot data. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your access token credentials from HubSpot. With these values in hand, you can now set up integrations and automate your workflows seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.